Replacing the cabin air filter in a 2019 Ram ProMaster City. And the first thing you're going to do is empty your glove box. Then you're going to remove these two plastic pieces that hold the glove box from coming all the way down. And you push in on both sides, and that just pops right out. Do the same thing on this side. This side's a little more difficult. You can't really get your fingers up there. Screwdriver works best for the left-hand side. Then behind the glove box, here's your blower motor. Here's where your cabin air filter goes. There's a little tab. Just pull back on that, and it pulls right out. And then the flap folds down. This is probably one of the most overlooked maintenance items on vehicles. This thing's probably never been changed. That's disgusting. Here is the new one. I'm using the STP CAF90169P. And these are directional. Shove the new one back in there. All right, put this plastic piece in the little slot over here. And then snap the left-hand side, and then fold your glove box back up. Put the stoppers back in. Absolutely disgusting. And that is changing your cabin air filter in a 2019 Ram ProMaster City.